The time shift effect, also known as film shrieks. These shrieks are produced in film when the phase relationship of the mirror shot to the movement is out of sync. The film being exposed during the put-on phase will create a shrieking effect. The most effective and realistic way to achieve this effect is using a device called shiftbox, such as RE TSP timing shiftbox. Now, I always love those imperfect little film artifacts, the kind of texture that makes footage feel alive. So I thought, what if we could bring that feeling into digital filmmaking in a more flexible way? And that's why I created this plugin. You can fully customize the highlight offset, shriek intensity, shriek length, jitter speed, jitter amount, and shape the look however you want to fit your footage. And for the first 10 people, I'm giving away a free download coupon. Here's the coupon code. Have fun with it. Can't wait to see what you create. Peace.